Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard Classic running Ubuntu Linux. Right here. Connected to serial interface, which is connected to laptop running a Minicom serial terminal. Also connected to the BeagleBoard is HDMI cable connected to this monitor. Also connected apart from power adapter, serial in USB cable, and that USB cable is connected to, well, actually this USB hub, no longer this one. And that brings me to the topic, because I wanted, after last time, to do another modification right here with this part of the trick. After fixing the chains, or the chain with two magnets that I did last time, with control from this robot interface, controlling 1, 2, 3 motors. But unfortunately I can only do that when I have a virtual network computing session active. That relies on either this one, USB to network converter, or this one, a Wi-Fi connector. And both didn't work. Not giving me, not having an IP address. So when you have that problem, things, and well, it actually started last time, there are no connections possible. Then again, you may, since I have the monitor, start with the keyboard attached and the mouse attached. So here is the mouse. But well, rubbing the mouse doesn't work either. And yes, it is attached. So right now, suspecting this USB hub, taking another one. Well, that kind of seemed to work, but not satisfactory, because it still doesn't give me an IP address. So until I solve that, I can't do anything with this. Well, I can restructure, I can do that, and I can do things manually. So I think I'll do that, and then get back to this stuff, because, well, things are automated. It has a computer on it. But first of all, let's then concentrate on this part, see if this works out, and then go back to maybe, hopefully, a computer connection. So let's go find something out. Alright, so the track and how to do it. I have created a simple piece that is actually this, and maybe I can have a better light. Anyway, this, then this edit, and this one, shifting or adding here, and then this piece has to be somewhere on it, but this is not a real nice combination, as you can see, but I have to start somewhere. So let's see how this adds up, and I don't have my hopes high. Yeah, that's what I thought. I have to really hold this horizontally. Let's try again, not obstructing the way in any way, or the trajectory. Yeah. This is going to be a real challenge. So if I have it here, what will happen? And holding higher as well. It's held here, as you can't see it nicely, so this is better. It's held exactly here. That is better. And worse. So is this going to work after all? I don't really know. This is a problem here. Because this is very flexible and at the same time holding everything, and oops, if you look at this at the bottom, there's no way to hold it, to attach it to something. Only beginning and end can be attached. Adding that to the fact that I don't have more tracks available that I can remember, by the way. So this chain from last time here is a nice one, but without this track adding to it, not much of a go, unfortunately. Not giving up, of course, but I need more tracks. Did I overlook one track? Because that would make it a bit easier, I think. Although now that I look at it, this part is 4 elements high. 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th here. And this is only 3 elements high, so it's going up anyway. That's a nice one. So I have to add one here as well. And then keep speed. Going to be interesting. Let's find out. Turns out that I do have another track available, but first let's add one piece here, and then I have to put it down here to make it, yeah, and I have to do it differently because it has to stay in the place. While maintaining a nice slope here. And then what to do? Keeping the mouse cable out of my way. So, one piece connecting, other piece connecting, and right here connecting. So I have something that is more like a possible horizontal track, and you can't even see it like this. So let me do it like this. That's a bit more like it. So, oops, not blocking the light. I try to. So, here horizontal, and here horizontal. Somehow. And everything being in a 90 degrees angle is not going to, this will not be easy. This will be a lot easier. But will it work anyway? That is a good question. And only trying out will show if that will be working. So let's do it. More modifications. The question is also how to do that. Because as you can see, the board ends right here. So that's going to be a nice one. Alright, first another glimpse of Minicom terminal. Let me put the name in it. So this is the computer end of the serial connection to the BeagleBoard. This is the BeagleBoard then, and this shows that there's only the internal network active and not USB conversion. So I still can't do VNC. Which brings me to new construction. Very much improvised. Question is, will this work anyway? Let's try. Question is then a big no. So if I lift it a bit, what will the result be? And I would like you to see everything, but is it going to work? Yeah, most likely. So, no, that's not going to work. Oops. Slightly lower then. And it again goes wrong here. So this is a real big challenge. If I lift it up, it's not going to go anywhere. So will I succeed? Well, not really in this way. And this is a really sharp angle. So when I put it like this, who knows? No, too steep angle. Also not going to work. Nope. Right. So it looks like this is not going to work anyway. Nice idea, but at least one thing works. The original part, which is high above here, going around here. So starting up high, right here, and then going down. At least that works. And the rest well, this obviously not so much. Bringing me to serial connection. I still have no clue what's going on, because I do know that this USB hub does work on another computer, although it doesn't connect to a network interface there, but it does work. So why this is all going not like it should, I have no idea. Is this? I think I'll leave it at that. I can do one more thing though. Not here. Here. One reboot to see if that works out. But on the other hand, I should be seeing some light here, and that doesn't work either. So I think I'll leave it at that. Reconstructions don't always end up as I would have liked. Unfortunately. And with this very much improvised solution not working, and a USB hub that doesn't work or doesn't provide me with an IP address so I can use VNC, I thank you for watching. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Yeah, please show your appreciation by making a donation via PayPal or Wired with banking. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge, may have your name mentioned on my website and my videos. Social media names and URL of my website is listed under this video. Much more information. And on my website also more information about donating, and many pictures. For now, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.